All right, here's how you do it. So let's go ahead and draw. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Give me a minute here. There we go. Let's draw an equilateral triangle like this. Put a circle in it, pretty much like that. So far. Define it as equilateral. Give this the length 10, 10 whatevers. So the rule is that an equilateral triangle has a total area or a total angle of equals 180. So each of these angles here is 60 degrees. So 60, 120, 180. That means we know that, take the line here. So you're trying to find the radius of the circle to calculate it with a circle pi r squared or whatever. Excuse the ASCII. That's what you're trying to find, right? So we want this. We want r right here. But we have the length here, so we know the distance between here and r. Draw a line there. We know this distance is 5, right? Easy, because it's just half of 10. But we want to find out how to get r from this. Super, super easy. So if you're splitting a 60-degree angle into two, you end up with a little text button, yeah. End up with 30 degrees as the angle for this angle in here. Since you're cutting this one down the middle, you know this is 90. And since a triangle has to add up into 180, the total will be here will be 60. And you can do a special thing with a 30, 60, 90 triangle. I can do it. That looks like a special thing with a triangle like this. So this base for this. So if this is your r, this side would be, this is a universal principle, this would be 2r. This side down here would be r times square root of 3, not 2. I messed it up the first time. So if you want to find r here, and you happen to know this, so you know that 5 equals the length of the bottom there, r times the square root of 3. To get r, or to find the radius in order to calculate the area in this circle, it's easy, you just move it to one side. So you do, so r would equal 5 over the square root of 3. So with that, you have the radius. So the radius is 5 over the square root of 3, which is some number. I don't think I have a calculator, so you'll have to do that. So yeah, so that's your radius, and then you can just do the radius of a circle, area of a circle, pi r squared or whatever. Then you'll have the area of the circle. Area of a triangle is super easy, and then you subtract the area of the triangle minus the area you just calculated from the circle. That's the first one solved. If you're real, I'll do the second one